What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's recess activity, Recess Beer Band was on her work on LV together with the glam team. On Instagram post, Recess Beer Band posted on Instagram showing her beautiful photo in a short video clip that shows that she was preparing for the photo shoot. Says Pirban caption it, reveal the elegance fused with the spirit of travel through the elegant look of the brands. Yes, seeing her boyfriend Adek was so proud of what she became today. Although Nadek was so busy lately for the show and taping, Nadek was hands-on and next time to Urasaya, especially when they had a special occasion for the both of them. The two was also ready for their upcoming wedding.